Hello. I am Dave Maths. This base 8 question will be solved by me, so please take your time and see my process. First, we must comprehend that each number borrowed will have an equal to the base. 5 can't be subtracted from 0, so we borrow from 1. Note that the number borrowed would be 8 since we're in base 8, then we can write 8 minus 5, which is 3. Since our 1 is now 0, we attempt to borrow from 6 because 7 cannot be deducted from 0. So we have 8 minus 7, which is 1. Next we have 5 minus 6, 6 can't be subtracted from 5, so we borrow from the next number, which is 4. 4 becomes 3 since we have borrowed 1 from it. Then 8 is added to 5 to make it 13, we can now subtract 6 from 13. (13 minus 6 is 7. And lastly we have 3 minus 2, which is 1. Kindly click the subscribe button if you like this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching and do have a great day.